This is the ES for Renko on January 20th, 2012. In the first just about 3.5 hours of trading this morning, the ES for Renko is only just now in the process of forming its 10th bar of the morning. So this is just impossible to trade. So I didn't want to be shut out for a second consecutive day. So early on I realized the 4 Renko was going nowhere today. So I switched to the 2 Renko. Now here's a trade on the 2 Renko this morning, and pretty much this week the ES has not been trending. It's been doing more cycling than trending, and with just a point or two in any one direction. So I decided to go with the cycles on the 2 Renko chart, and I got in the trade after this squeeze right in here, and when the swing cycle crossed below the variable band, indicating this was overbought right in here. I stayed in the trade and I got out intra-bar here for 2 points, and I just arbitrarily got out of this trade because up until now the market had been not moving any more than a point or two in any one direction. So I decided to take my profits right here and got out of this trade with 2 points. And this is my next trade of the morning. Here is the swing cycle crossed above the variable band, indicating oversold here, turned green on the way up. Dots were green here. The DMI differential was just about to cross above its zero line here. The DMI, DIX rather, and the binary triangle were already green and moving up here. The linear regression slope was crossing above its zero line, and the mid dashes in the Bollinger Band differential oscillator were green, and the indicator line was moving up here. So I took the trade based a lot on what the swing cycle was doing, and I knew it would hit resistance when it got up to today's open. It popped up by 1 bar above that, and then the next bar was just jiggling up and down here, so I got out at 13.08 right here, right at today's open, and again it was a 2-point trade, so I had a total of 4 points in the first 3.5 hours of trading this morning. And you can see what happened on this other first trade I showed you here. I got out of it intra-bar right here, and you can see when the bar completed forming, it formed it up here, went back down, up again, and so pretty much I couldn't have squeezed any more out of this trade than I did when I got out of it for 2 points right in here. So that's the story for this week, and hopefully there'll be a little more activity next week, and I could go back to my favorite, which is the 4 Renko on the ES.